Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to unbox this, I don't know what it is. It is a surprise from a friend. She sent it to me and she said it is something that I can use. And she said it's a surprise, so she just sent it to me. And now we're going to open it. Oh, there it is. It says LED UV lamp, all dry glue, UV photography gel. Oh, this is for nail polish. Wow. A friend gave me this. She said she bought two for herself, and so she gave me one. So this is a rechargeable nail dryer with LED screen. Wow. And rechargeable cordless UV LED lamp. There. All dry glue UV photography gel extended. What's that? Glue LED. Oh, for nail polish. So there it is. It says sunshine, non-harmful, non-blackened LED. Okay, so we'll open this. I have not seen this yet. So she gave it to me like last week, but I didn't have time to open it actually. Okay, we will open it. There it is. Okay, try to do it, and then one hand is holding the phone. So I'll lift this box first. I mean, the item from the box. Okay, I got it from the box. And now we're going to see what's inside. Okay. Oh, wow. Here it is. It says 30s, 60s, 90s. Oh, this is the heat. There. The temperature maybe. A nail lamp. There. Wow. So, there is a USB port here, and also this one here for the plug. And I don't know what this is here. And let's see. So this is where you put your hand for drying, maybe like that. There. And it has the plug. This one, the cord. Yeah, but you can use also USB. If you want to use USB, it has a USB port also here. But this one is, its original plug is this one here. There. So, yeah, that's it. And we'll see do they have here? It's the packing list, main unit 1, adapter, and instruction manual. There's no instruction manual here. Oh, so this is the instruction manual. Okay. Yeah, specially designed for professional nail technicians. It quickly cures UV gel, extension gel, and LED gel. Wow, this is cool. Thank you so much to my friend. She just gave it to me. Now I have to buy gel nail polish to use this. But yeah, this is good. I love it. So that's it for our unboxing today, and we'll see. Maybe we'll plug this first. Okay, so that is the plug or the adapter, and we're going to plug it here. There it is, and we're going to turn it on. How can I turn this on? It's red, so it was green when I plug it in, but now it's red, so maybe I need to charge it. So maybe I need to charge it, so we'll just turn it off for now. 86, so that is the heat temperature. Okay. This is what there. Low heat, maybe high heat there. And what's this one here? On and off. Oh, okay. Okay, so yeah, now I have a what do you call this, lamp, UV lamp for gel nail polish. So that's it for my sharing for today, and thank you for watching, everyone. See you next time.